Table formulas. In this exercise, we're going to look at creating a new row, and we're going to title the row as totals. And then we're going to put in two separate formulas that will auto-calculate our in-stock column and our stock values column. The way we're going to do that is we're going to move our cursor, hover it right over the bottom left-hand corner of this table, and you see that plus sign right there? If I click it one time, it adds a new row for me. Now I'm going to place my insertion point here in this first cell, and then I'm going to type in totals. Totals will serve as our row header. So I'm going to press tab 3 times, and it moves my insertion point to the in stock column. Now from here I want to add a formula. The way we're going to do that is we're going to come up to our layout tab, and then right over here in our data group I'm going to click formula. That'll open up my formula dialog box. Now if you've ever used Excel before, you can see that this formula couldn't get simpler. Sum above, which means total whatever's above the cell I'm in. Now I'm going to leave that as it is. Then down here as in the number format, I'll click this drop down arrow, and then I'm going to choose this third one down, which gives me a nice dollar sign. It also gives me commas where it needs to be in the thousands place, and also includes decimals. Now I'm going to click OK, and then Shazam. Look at that. It gives me a nice formula. Now if I click on this one time, you see how it highlights this in a little gray background, indicating that this indeed is a formula, or I should say more specifically a field placeholder. If I click any one of these other values, it doesn't do that because these are just characters. These are numbers. So I'm going to come to this next column and do the same thing for a formula for the stock values. I'm going to click formula. Here in my formula dialog box, I don't have to do anything except for apply that number format. Just like that. Click OK again. Shazam.
Wow.
And that's all there is to it. This has been Table Formulas in a Word document. Thanks for joining me. And remember, share this with as many people that you think might benefit.